Let's look at a day of savings from Save Club. I woke up early needing to get back in shape, so I found a deal to get 99% off gym enrollment and 25% off my membership fee a month. This gave me a reason to get back in shape. After killing chest day, it was time for some protein and carbs, so I went to Denny's for a huge breakfast. I got 20% off the bill thanks to Save Club. While I was at breakfast, a friend called and said, "Let's play a round of golf." So I recommended the course where I got 25% off thanks to Save Club. Since I'm trying to get back to peak shape, I stopped by GNC and got a few jugs of protein, and Save Club got me $20 off. I was starving, and since I burned a ton of calories golfing, I felt I deserved a cheeseburger. So I went to Smash Burger and got 15% off. After lunch, I went to Men's Wearhouse. My brother is getting married this weekend, and I needed a tux. I'm so glad Save Club saved me 10% off. I am big on car maintenance, and I needed to get an oil change, so I drove through Take 5 and saved another $20 today. After those guys touched my car with their nasty hands, it was time for a car wash. I pulled up Save Club and saved a quick $5. My wife called me when I was out and told me to meet her at our spot, California Pizza Kitchen. We had a great meal, and I saved $10 off the bill with Save Club. While we were at dinner, we booked our Vegas trip and saved over $400 to stay at the Venetian. Then my wife convinced me I can do more cardio tomorrow, so we went for dessert at Cold Stone Creamery and got a buy one, get one free thanks to Save Club. This was just an example of a single day. It is impossible not to save more than your membership. Join Save Club today and put a lot of money you're already spending back in your pocket.